Can you introduce yourself, Nopal? What are you do? What you do? So the others can also know about it. Hmm.
Yeah, so I'm an entrepreneur for about last 18 years. I run a marketing communication agency based out of Bangalore, Kormangala. And I know Ramesh from my BNA days from I think
Yeah,
from 2000 9 onwards. I know
that's correct.
Ramesh.
Correct.
And I cater to mostly the some SME companies and some corporate companies in Bangalore, especially Infosys, Titan,
Hmm.
and all for their marketing communication collaterals in artwork design
Right.
and some videos and all. And overall, yeah, that's what we are about 120 people based out of Kormangala. The where place you are seeing here, this is my house in Kerala.
Hmm.
It's about 90-year-old, and but I converted this into a homestay. And this is about 4-acre land, so I keep coming here for once in a month. I
Hmm.
come here, stay here for 5 days, and go
Nice.
back. That's the schedule.
Nice.
Good to connect with all of you.
Thank you. Welcome, Nopalji. So we'll start now. Over to you, Soumya.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Thank you for taking the time to join us today. Before we get started, let me quickly introduce myself and our team present on this call. I'm Soumya from Rexings, and we honor to have our CEO, Mr. P. Ramesh Chandra, joining us today. And we also have our team member, Ms. Honika, who will be supporting throughout the session. Now, let's get started. We specialize in helping business transform their sales, marketing, and customer experience using CRM and AI-driven solution. Now, to quickly set the context, let me start with a quick question. How many of you feel that managing leads, follow-up, and customer data is still time-consuming or not fully optimized? Could you please share your response in the chat? That's exactly what we are going to address today. In this session, we will explore how AI powered CRM is changing the way business operates, helping team work smarter, respond faster, and ultimately drive better results. This is the CRM mind map. Without CRM, we will be facing challenges like no proper follow up, delayed responses, multiple points on data entry, managing sales team and low sales, unresolved customer complaints, limited manpower, unable to track the payment and invoices, losing leads and customers, wrong internal and external customer communication. By using CRM, we can overcome all these challenges. Any CRM in the world has three main modules, which is marketing, sales, customer support, and service. In marketing module, we may run campaign and get inquiries, and only qualified inquiries move to the sales. This is done using the band qualification, which means we identify their customer budget, who is the decision maker, their need, and the timeline. Once qualified, account is created. Under account, contact and deal will be created. Post the sales, if they have any problem, we may give support to them. Before we look at what AI can do, let's understand the current reality in most organizations without AI. The first one is teams rely on manual processes. Many teams still depend on manual work like updating data, sending email, and tracking tasks. This takes a lot of time and increase the chance of human error. And the second one is leads are not prioritized properly. Without AI, it is difficult to identify which leads are most likely to convert. So sales team often spend time on the wrong prospects. And the third one is customer follow-ups are delayed. Follow-ups are usually done manually and sometimes they are missed or delayed. This can lead to lost deals and poor customer experience. And the final one is data is scattered across the tools. Customer information is often spent across multiple systems like emails, spreadsheet, CRM, and other tools. This make it hard to get a complete view of the customer. So that is exactly where AI comes into the picture to eliminate inefficiencies and bring intelligence into every step of the process. Why AI is a game changer? Because it automates repetitive work, and it predicts the customer behavior and enable the faster decision. Like AI provides real-time insights and recommendations so team don't have to rely on guesswork, and it delivers the personalized experience. Like AI help tailor communication offers and interaction based on the customer's behavior and preferences. In short, AI helps business move from manual and reactive to automated and intelligent. These are the types of AI transforming CRM: predictive AI, generative AI, prompt, chat flow, and VMeet. Predictive AI means it uses historical data to forecast future outcomes. It helps answers like what will happen next. Generative AI means it creates new content based on the prompts. It helps our answers like what should we create. For example, writing email, chat responses, proposal generation, and call summaries. Prompt means it is an instruction given to the AI. It tells AI what to generate. For example, write a follow-up email for a customer who attend the webinar. And Chatflow is a AI-powered conversation automation that guides the user through the structured interaction. And VMeet is the vTiger built-in video meeting tool. AI can automatically record the meeting and convert the speech into text. So you don't have to manually take the minutes of meeting notes. After the meeting, AI can generate the summary of the discussion also. How AI can transform your organization? It helps the business operate faster, smarter, and more efficiently across all the departments. In sales, it identifies the high potential leads using predictive AI, get next best action recommendation. In marketing department, it create personalized campaigns and using AI, it segments the customers intelligently. It generate email, content, and messages instantly. In customer support department, uses AI chatbots and chat flows for instant response. In operation department, it automate repetitive tasks, generate reports and insight, and it reduce the manual error. AI doesn't replace people, it empowers your team to work smarter, faster, and more strategical. Now let me give you a quick overview about Rigsings. Rigsings brings over 20 plus years of experience in CRM consulting and implementation. So we are not just talking about theory, we will work with business across different industries and understand the real world challenges. Over the years, we've successfully delivered 240 plus projects for the client globally. This includes companies from different regions and industries, helping them streamline their sales process and improve customer management. And most importantly, the impact: business that have implemented CRM solution with us have seen up to 35% of improvement in their sales performance. This all happens because we help them organize their data, automate their processes, and ensure no opportunities are missed. Now let's talk about vTiger CRM. vTiger is a globally trusted CRM platform used by over 300,000 businesses worldwide, which shows its reliability and worldwide adoption across industries. What vTiger essentially does is it helps business manage their entire customer life cycle in one place. It enables companies to manage a customer relationship, automate sales and marketing process, improve customer support, and get 360-degree view of the customer. This means all the customer interactions, including email, deals, support ticket, and everything is available in a single system. So instead of switching multiple tools, team can work smarter, respond faster, and make better decisions. Now, at the core of everything we discussed, there is a one simple idea. Grow your business by strengthening your relationship with customers, because at the end of the day, the customer is the king or queen. That's why we focus on building customer relationship. And this is exactly where CRM and AI play a crucial role, helping you stay connected with your customers, understand their need, and deliver a better experience consistently. In addition to our consulting and knowledge sharing initiatives, we also contribute through thought leadership. Our CEO and your CRM expert, Mr. P. Ramesh Chandan, authored a book titled Three Pillar of Customer Relationship in 2017. This book is not just theoretical, it is built on over 20 years of real world experience, capturing the best practices, practical strategies, and lesson learned from the working with various industries. As part of this, we have interviewed 65 plus global CEOs and industry leaders like Mr. N. Narayana Murthy, the founder of Infosys, to understand their perspective on business growth, leadership, and customer management. We have taken their insights, combined them with our own experience, and consolidated everything into this book. Along with our implementation and consulting, we also focus on sharing knowledge consistently. We have a dedicated WhatsApp community where we share useful insights every week related to CRM, AI trends, best practices, and real business use cases. And additional to that, we also have a YouTube channel where we publish videos explaining CRM concept, AI features, and real world demonstrations. So, whether it's a quick tip or detailed walkthrough, we make sure valuable content is always accessible. The idea is to help business stay updated and understand how they can practically use AI in CRM in their day to day operations. Over to you, Monica.
Yeah, thank you, Soumya. Hi everyone. First and foremost, I would like to thank everyone for joining this webinar session. So, let me just quickly share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Could you please confirm?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yes.
Yeah, thank you. In today's session, I'll be speaking about the calculus AI in VTiger CRM. So, as you already know, in today's businesses across all the industries, the major pain points that everyone will be facing is to manage the data which they have in their system. So, like to do the follow ups, to focus on the record, will not be knowing where we'll be wasting our time, the team will be wasting their time, and also to generate the content, so which can be done within a minute. So, this is where AI comes into picture, which will be helping to all the team members across all the industries to automate their process to make their day-to-day functionality or the operations easy. So in today's session, we will be covering on the topics, the types of AI like the predictive AI, generative AI, what are prompts, what are chat flows, agents, and the VMate. So starting with the predictive AI, so as the name itself says predictive, so AI will be analyzing all the historical data that we have in our system and it will be providing us the output, so which will suggest us way to focus on. So let's go with the first feature, which is best time to contact. So let's say your sales representatives will be having 100 set of leads that they need to call on that particular day. So there will be a confusion to them. So which lead they have to focus on, like exactly what day and what time they have to call that particular lead. So there is a chances of them picking up. So to move the conversation forward. So this is where the best time to contact picture comes into place, where AI will be analyzing all the historical data, meaning the past interactions via the email, via the meetings, and other conversations that they had previously, and it will be suggesting the best day and best time so that the sales representative will be contacting them. So moving to the next feature, which is the deal score. So usually we'll be having the customers who will be giving us the positive response on the next steps, but we'll not be knowing which deal we have to focus on so that we can close it faster. So deal score helps us in order to focus on the right deal so that we can focus on it and move it to the closure state. So where AI will be helping us in giving us what is the deal score based on the historical data, like the conversations that we had. Along with that, we will be getting the predicted close date, the engagement score, the sentiment score. And not only this, so if we just click on the conversation insights which we have, so we will be getting an insight of complete deal, like who are the competitors that has been mentioned during the conversation or the interaction, and the sentiments we will be getting, like which how many were positive, how many were negative, and how many were neutral, and the complete deal score. Along with that, what will be the predicted close date. So coming to the next, which is the conversation timeline. So it is must to know within each of the month how many times we have connected with the customer, right? So via the different channels. So this is where we will be getting like how many emails we have sent within each month, like how many phone calls we have made, how many email campaigns we have sent. Along with that, the cases, chats, how many documents shared, the meetings that has been held, and the web activity that has been taken place in the two-way. Along with that, we will be able to see based on the category, based on the sentiment, the complete conversation timeline we will be getting. So we'll also be getting the touch point summary. So like how much the count of the emails that has been sent by each of the sales representative. Along with that, how much phone calls has been made, the events that has been taken. So basically, it is like the channels that we have connected with all the like the sales representative with the customer, right? So we will be able to get a count of it in one single matrix. So moving forward to the next type, which is a generative AI. So where the AI will be generating the content, it will be summarizing the content. So where the team can spend less time in typing. So moving to the first feature, which is the compose email. So we will be composing lots of email to our clients on the day-to-day basis, right? So where AI will be helping us in generating the content within seconds. So coming to the email, so mainly we will be focusing on the subject, because when we send a mail to a client, when they read a subject, it should be like they will be understanding the complete content by reading the subject. So we do have a feature which is AI subject lines, where AI will be providing us the suggestions on the subject, the best subject that can be provided to the email when composing a email. And also we AI will be helping us in drafting the email. So just by giving a simple words, that is sentence, saying like draft a welcome email in about 50 words to the customer, welcoming him to the V Tiger. Where they belong to the industry manufacturing. So according to the instruction that we provide, so AI will be composing a email, and just we can insert this email to the body of the email and we can send it. So moving forward, which is the coaching. So we do have coaching as a separate feature. So because the sales representatives or the support agents will be making a phone call or will be having a continuous conversation with in the emails and also the meetings. So AI will be helping us in order to summarize all the conversations that we had. So let's take an example of the phone call over here. So based on the recording that we have captured of the phone call, the AI will be giving the summary. Along with that, what is the next suggestion that the representative needs to be followed. Along with that, the AI rating. So what is the completeness rating? What is the grammar rating? The pleasantness in the conversation, which will be given automatically. And along with that, we will be able to get the transcripts of the phone call on what has been spoken on both the ends. Along with that, the call metrics we will be receiving, like how much pauses had been taken, the count of it, and the total duration of the call, the talk to listen ratio between the agent and the rep. So along with that, if it's related to a deal, automatically the deal name and in what stage it was will get captured, and also the direction of the call and the date and time will be captured. So along with that, the mode of speech, the words per second, the number of syllables covered and the speaking duration on the rep side and the prospect side will be captured as well, and analyzing all the conversation that has happened. So what is the next step will be suggested by the AI. So this feature will mostly be useful for the sales rep or the support agent, so in order to analyze all the summary that the conversation that they have had, and also in order to do the improvement. Basically, they'll be getting a tips on what can be improved in the next future calls that they will be handling. Along with that, so using the AI, we will be able to summarize the content. So we'll take an example of the case module, which is nothing but the tickets. So let's say if we order a food, for example, via Zomato or via the Swiggy. So if it's delayed or if you face any issues, we'll be reaching out to the support, right? And there will be lots of conversation that has been handled if the issue has been raised from your end. So in order to get the summary of it, so we do have the AI which will automatically generate the summary of whatever the conversation that you had previously with that particular customer. So it's just a one click. So where AI will be helping us in order to give the complete summary. So along with that, we will be able to view who was involved, whom it was assigned to, what are the activities that has been taken place, the total duration we will be able to get it. So now let's focus on the next concept, which is prompts. So prompts is nothing but the instructions that we will be giving to the AI in order to generate the content or to analyze the issue or to update the record. So it's just the one-time setup. We will be creating a prompt and we will be asking the AI. So where the AI will route to the proper prompt, the correct prompt, and it will be generating the content. So let's take some of the simple use cases to understand it better. So as we had seen the case summary, right? So where we were able to get the complete summary of the conversations that had taken place. So we will be creating a prompt just by giving so the instruction where AI needs to focus on and which field the data that AI needs to focus and for which module. So this can be created for any of the modules. So first we'll go with the cases. So once the prompt has been generated, so if we go to each of the cases, so we will be able to get a summary of it. So where AI will be reading every case and what is the issue and what is the priority level. So basically we will be giving the keywords where the AI will be focusing on it. So let's take another scenario where you will be receiving the email from your clients, right? And by seeing the email and updating the record manually takes lots of time. So this is where AI helps us where from the incoming email, just by defining the prompt that based on AI should focus on the category, subcategory, for example, or any of the field that we will be receiving via the email. So it will focus on the email body. So if that content is present, so automatically the AI will be generating a record. I mean, when the record is created for the existing record, so the field will get updated. So this is how AI will be helping us to automate the process from the incoming emails that we will be getting. So coming to the another scenario, that is in the project management. So it is necessary to know the projects, the list of the projects based on its load, right? So how much task is there for that particular project or for a particular milestone. So this is where we can have a prompt for it. So where AI, it can give a summary of the project along with the load of it, like how much task is there for each of the project. So let's move on to the next concept, which is the chat flow. So usually everyone will be knowing that. So there are bots. So it is trending now where we will be reaching out to any of the website and we can chat with the bot over there asking any queries where automatically we will be getting a response. So we do have chat flow as a feature where no code is required. So just we can add the blocks and connect it. So which represents that when we initiate a chat, so what a bot should ask, what concerns it should ask from the customer in order to provide a solution. We can set up each of the block and we can route it in such a way that till the customer gets the answer to their questions, so the bot will be handling it. So in certain cases, if the customer is not satisfied, so we can have a feature where the customer can reach out to the live agents via the bot. So this is where the chat flow will be helping us. So where the bot will be responding to all the concerns. So moving to the next concept, which is the agents. So using the AI agents, so within our CRM, we can do certain actions. So just by giving a simple command, so the agents will be creating the actions. So let's look at it one by one. So let's take for an example. So if you just say to a AI that create a event or create a contact, so with so and so name, so AI will be generating the record. So instead of going to each of the module and creating a record by providing all the data, which is time consuming, AI will be helping us in simplifying this process. So as you can see over here, so we have just given like a create event for tomorrow 11 a.m. So the AI will be creating a record by capturing all the data that we have given in this particular command. So not only that, so as I said, so we can create a contact, we can create any other record as well just by just giving the command, the AI will be creating it. So it's just that create a contact named Ram. So automatically the first name will be captured and the other mandatory fields we need to provide it, or else we can give in the command itself, where if we just submit it, the record gets created. Along with that, we will be able to view in the activity section like which prompt this agent has been routed to as well. So along with that, we will be able to create the internal ticket. So just by describing the issue and what is the issue over here, the summary. So we will be creating the internal ticket as well. So this is just another example for the agents. So not only that, using the agents, we will be able to generate the summary of the particular record. So we can just say to the AI like, give me a summary of this deal. So let's say if the duplicate deal is present already, so the AI will be asking us with which one you would like to continue. So if we just click on it, so this complete summary of that particular deal will be provided by the AI. Along with that, we will be able to generate the reports as well. So these are the agents. So one for creating the records, one for generating the content, like the summarizing the content, and next for giving the report. So we can have different agents created, and we can just give a simple command over here. So where we will be able to get the insight. So it's just that we have asked show invoices with status paid. So AI has analyzed all the records with the status paid and it has provided us with the output. Along with that, we will be able to generate the insight in the format of the chart as well. So instead of going to the reports and giving all the conditions, we can just ask the AI by providing a command. For example, show me contacts by life cycle stage. So it has given us the pie chart with all the data. So on each of the stages, the complete percentage has been given of the records present. So moving on to the next feature, which is the vMeet. So vMeet is an inbuilt conferencing tool that we have within our CRM. So where it acts similar to that of the other conferencing tool like the Gmeet, Microsoft Teams. So but what we stand apart from them is that so we will be able to provide the AI summary, the suggestions, and the minutes of meeting, the next action to be performed. So all the data we will be able to get after every call. So for example, this is one of the meeting that has been held. So over here, we will be able to see the speaker's timeline. So who were all involved. Along with that, the complete notes of the meeting. And let's say in the meeting we have discussed like we'll have another meeting in order to discuss the further requirements with our business team who were not involved in the first meeting. So in the actions, we will be able to get, so what are the next actions that needs to be performed after that call which has been taken place. So AI will be helping us in order to directly create a task, directly create an event. So from that particular record itself. And we will be able to get the transcripts. Along with that, we will be able to get the minutes of meeting, which is very important to send to the client after each and every call. So we don't need to spend time on summarizing it. So readily available minutes of meeting will be getting, where we can directly send it to the clients who were involved. Now I would like to show some of the features live. So how it will be shown in the records. So this is one of the contact record. So first I would like to show the features of the predictive AI side. So over here, as you can see today 12 p.m. If I just click on this, so we will be able to see what is the best time to contact this particular customer. So along with the day and along with the time, we will be able to get the suggestions. So moving on to the next feature on the predictive AI side. So as we had discussed on the conversation insights, right? So we will be able to get the complete conversation insight for this particular deal. The conversation timeline based on the channel, based on the category, and based on the sentiment, we will be able to get a insight of it. So along with that, the touch points. So how much emails has been sent, how many events has been taken, the web chat they have reached out to us, and the cases. Along with that, the email campaign. So who are the representatives and the owners involved in this particular deal? We will be having a complete insight of it. Now let's look at some of the features on the generative AI side. So as we had discussed on the case summary, right? So this is one of the ticket, so where the multiple conversations has been happened. So if you just go over here on the calculus AI and just click on the case summary, so the AI will be analyzing all the conversations that had happened previously, and it will be providing us with the output. So who were involved and what are the activities that has been taken place, the complete summary we will be able to get it. And also what is the next action to perform based on the summary, also we can define it, so where we can directly add a task for it. So moving on to the next feature, which is the coaching. So this is one of the phone recordings where the AI will be analyzing the complete recordings of the phone call, and it will be providing us with the AI summary, the AI suggestions, along with that the ratings based on the conversation that has been taken place, and also what is the reason, if any, and the AI score for this particular call. Along with that, the complete transcripts of the call and the call metrics. So, along with all the status like how much pauses has been taken, the total duration, and along with that, the mode of speech, the words per second on both the ends of rep and the prospect, we will be able to get a complete insight. So, which will be very much helpful for each of the representatives in order to get the improvement tips for them for the next calls as well. So let's focus on the next concept which we had discussed, that is about the agents. So before that, I would like to show uh, the AI part on the composing of email. So as you can see over here, so we do have a feature that is a write with AI. So we can have a prompts ready for it. So in order to compose a draft for the email, so we just have one of the draft which is where if we just give the role and the other details like what recipients or the company they belong to and how much interactions that has been taken place, so this can be defined by us how we want based on our business workflow. And if we just send it, right, so we will be able to get a complete email. Not only that, we can just give a prompt over here, just a simple command saying like write a welcome email to the customer. If we just provide a simple command over here, so the AI will be helping us in providing the content of the email. So as this, the record needs to be have all the information, basically what company they belong to, everything. So if we have it, the complete email will be provided to us. We can just click on this and it will be inserted in the email body, and we can just send it to the customer. So next I would like to show some of the features that we had discussed on the Ask AI basically. So where the agents will be helping us in creating the records. So let's take an example, like I would like to create an internal ticket for a mouse replacement, so which is on priority. If we just give a simple command like this, so the AI will be generating a record within our CRM. So we can just provide a summary over here if we have not provided in the command. So we can just submit it. So automatically the record gets created. So within the internal ticket, that particular record gets created. So along with this, if you would like to know the complete actions that has been taken place behind the scene, so here we will be having the activity section. So where we'll be able to see which prompt has been taken, which agent, and what is the topic. So we will be able to have a complete insight of it. So moving on to the next concept, so which is the VMeet that we had discussed. So let's take an example of the event. So this is the event that has been held previously. So we do have an option here, recording and AI analysis. So over here, so we will be able to get the complete speakers timeline who were involved in the meeting. Along with that, the notes, so the summary of the meeting, the AI suggestions, the questions that was asked during the meeting. Along with that, also the actions that needs to be taken place as a next step. So as I had told, like let's say we had discussed, we need to have another call in order to discuss the next steps or the business requirement with our other team. So AI will be suggesting the actions, the next action along with that to create an event, where we can just click on create event and the event will get created. So along with this, we will be able to get the complete transcripts of the meeting, and also we will be able to get the minutes of meeting. So on the discussion summary that we had, so they're readily available, so where we can send it to the customers. Yeah, so these are some of the features that I wanted to showcase on the Calculus AI within our CRM. Yeah, thank you, team.
Yeah, thanks, Monica. So now we will open up the webinar for asking any questions. So thank you all for joining. So now the floor is open for any questions that you have, any suggestions that you want to give. Over to you, Soumya and Monica.
Yeah, Ramesh, I used vTiger years before. I think in
Yes.
2012
Yes.
or
Yes.
13,
Yes. We
sometime
remember.
back,
Yes.
and
Yes.
then
Yes.
and then we discontinued just I think because of some service challenges or something.
Okay.
I don't remember exactly. Maybe Vani may be knowing. Now
Sure.
we
Sure.
use some CRM called Sangam CRM.
Sangam. Okay.
Sangam CRM. Yeah, I think the product name is NJ or something. Yeah,
Okay.
ENJY.
Okay. 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 Okay.
It's going okay, but I still, I'm open to
Sure.
look at it. Maybe we'll catch up sometime and have a
Sure.
little detailed demo about it.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
But
Sure. No
what are
problem.
the prices you are offering?
It's very cost effective, Nofal. I remember we had initially implemented Microsoft for you. Then you migrate to vTiger. So now you have earlier we used to have a flat license for all the licenses. Now you have to take
Correct.
one base licenses, and now you
Yeah.
have one app. One app is very less. It's like 1,400 per user per month. So that comes
Okay.
to around some 16,000 something per user per annum. So it's very cost effective.
Okay.
And the base license will be something around 30,000 or something around that price.
That is per annum.
Per annum, yeah. The base license, only one that you have to take. The remaining are 1,400 per month per user. But
So
paid
one
annually.
is a base license. That is I would call it as a super admin or whatever. That
Correct,
one base
correct,
license.
correct.
And then it is add-on. One,
And
two,
then the
three,
remaining are
whatever.
on one app. So one app is like you can take a sales user or a marketing user or a customer service user or one app like project management or
Okay.
something different. Yeah.
But this is very much in mobile app also, no? All these
Yes.
things.
All are available on the mobile. Yes.
So one app is what? That's a separate
Yeah, it's
license.
separate license just to take one application. See, like you see lot of the CRM in the market, they ask you to take flat base license for all the users.
Correct.
But vTiger has come with this model, where you have to take one base license. The remaining can be you select which application you want, you can use that. But the marketing,
Any-
sales, customer service,
uh,
something like that.
okay. Anyway, next week, I think Thursday, I'm at office.
Sure.
Maybe we can connect in detail,
Yeah, sure,
and
sure.
let me take through, just take through, just, let your people explain
Sure.
me each and everything
Sure,
in
sure,
depth,
sure,
and
sure,
then
sure.
maybe, because the Sangam CRM I've been using for about last 6-7 years. We did a lot of
Okay.
customizing and all there.
Okay, okay.
Now the changing is not that easier, but still,
Understand.
I can look at it, and
Yeah,
then,
sure,
but we
sure,
need
sure.
little bit of cost. If also we have 2-3 other brands other than
Okay.
Honeycomb Creative, we have
Okay.
this, Photostop, this another brand, and then Almala
Understand.
Homestay is a brand. Then we have
Okay.
Mudcart is a different brand, and
Okay.
Honey High, which is coming in. So we need to see
Uh,
how we can plug in everything
sure,
together
sure,
or
sure.
independently. Okay.
Sure. When we meet, we can understand those
Sure,
and
sure,
suggest
definitely. Yeah,
solutions.
yeah. Where is your office in?
Yeah, now we have moved to KR Our office
Okay.
is within the ITI plant. So we have taken one of the buildings there. In that we have our office.
Yes,
No, sure.
yeah, I would suggest if any of your representative can
Sure.
come there, it will be better,
Sure.
because I have some 8-9 people to show this, and take a decision, because they're
Yeah,
all
definitely.
users.
Definitely,
So
definitely.
that
No, but
will help. Okay. Call me on
sure.
Thursday, and then
Yeah.
we'll plan for Friday. Okay.
Sure,
Done.
sure.
Thank you.
Thanks,
You all.
Nupur.
Yeah,
Thanks for
sure. Yeah,
joining. Yeah.
thanks. Yeah,
Yeah. Thank you.
thanks. Bye.
Yeah. Anyone else who have any questions, please do share.
Yeah, hi, Ramesh. Suresh here.
Yeah. Hi, Suresh. Thanks for joining from overseas across the sea in Malaysia.
It was something which interested me as well because,
Yeah.
in meeting I used earlier to find some of my
Oh, you used vTiger earlier, is it?
person.
Oh, nice. Was it an on-premise or a cloud version?
It's a combination.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
But since then, actually, we were building a total for voice-enabled chat.
Okay.
Currently, you can see that we also we are using text-based. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
So, actually, next by we're planning to go live on 3rd of July.
Okay.
Test version is already available, and you can go to this website called mystaff.com,
Okay.
where we have the test version is already available. But it's because we are code.
Okay.
So what is it doing is we just replacing the current chatbot text-based that icon with ours. Once we click, it will start talking to you in any language. The language. So it will start talking in that language. So it is any complete. And what basically is your calendar use. And moreover, back to in the e-commerce facilities and also the appointment.
Okay.
Also, it can go up to booking resort with a hotel rooms, any facility. In the services you have, we can connect to it, and it is start booking that. And scheduling meetings, managing it. Now, you can go back and schedule all those things like that. So everything it is good, like it's a CRM, free CRM, because we're collecting the data and even selling the product, even scheduling, everything will be done. All based on voice. It recognizes the voice and start doing. So I was wondering whether anyway we can collaborate so that the customers can and also you. I don't know how the beta can be enabled that. So instead of a touch base, you can have another interface where the customers can talk to the client website and collect the need and how we data into that can be done.
Okay.
So the world is to the next stage of text messages, or people don't want to type anybody want to talk. They want. So I am looking for people who can collaborate with you and take it to the next level. Especially people like you have a custom base already and the CRM can do.
Yeah.
So that is something you can build on top of what you have.
Yeah, sure. Sure, Surajji. So post this webinar, we will connect with you offline and see how we can collaborate and coexist for solutions for your customers or for yourself.
Sure.
Okay? And you're also part of the Negri Semblan Indian Entrepreneurs Association, Surajji.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Yeah, long back I'd come there. We had given a presentation on CRM in Seremban to your association.
I got the link from there.
Okay, nice. Yeah. Nice. That's nice. Yeah. Thanks for joining, Surajji. We'll connect with you for the webinar. Yes, Surajji?
You have the customers in Malaysia too?
Yeah, we have. Celcom, which is one of the largest telecom providers in Malaysia.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have implemented CRM for them. Malaysian Airlines, we've done for them. Nila University, I think Nila is very close to Seremban, right?
Yeah.
You have Nila University there. We've done for them.
Oh, okay.
A lot of customers. We've done for a lot of customers in Malaysia.
So it is right proximity.
Yeah, sure.
Connect with me later. So
Yeah,
I
sure.
can-
Yeah, sure, Rich. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for that. Yeah, anyone else has any question? Vinod, Sridevi ji, Rakshita, IT support from Naga Mills.
Ramesh, hi.
Hi.
As you mentioned, we are already using vTiger CRM.
Oh, you already using?
Yeah, we are already using vTiger only. So tell me
Okay.
this AI, it's already AI solution, whatever you have told now, it's already inbuilt or we need to buy separately?
Are you using the on-premise or the cloud version, Vinod?
Cloud.
So it depends on the edition. If you're on the one professional, maybe that will not have the AI. You have to upgrade to the one enterprise. So you have to tell us what edition you're using. We can help you to upgrade to the right edition. Or if you already have one enterprise, we can help you activate those features.
Okay. Yeah, maybe for that I have to loop in my IT team as well. So
Sure.
maybe I'll just check with them and I'll connect with you if required. And also, do you have any solution on the email management from the CRM AI? Like right now, just we are handling the email separately from your Outlook.
Okay.
So manually, agent open the mail and they are just addressing the customer query or complaints. So do you have a solution in CRM with AI this thing?
Yeah, we do have actually, but we don't recommend using CRM for email management. But definitely, yes, we do have a feature called mailbox in the CRM that can be used. It can be used for emailing and other things. But it's very basic emailing feature, not so high end like Office 365 or a Google Workspace. It's not so high end. It has some basic features.
Okay, understood.
So, however, we don't recommend CRM for emailing, Vinodji. But if it's really required, you can use it. There's a feature in there. Is that right, Honika?
Any particular reason why you are not recommending?
Because CRM is more in terms of managing your sales, marketing, and customer service. And CRM is generally built very strong on those processes. Emailing generally, it's not that great in CRM, any CRM. Most of the CRM don't have the emailing feature itself, but they integrate with the Google or Office 365 or those kind of systems.
Okay.
But definitely a basic system is there. But what I say is email has evolved over a period of time, and people's expectations are many features like what Office 365 or Google Workspace provides. Those all features people have got used to it, and they're more sophisticated for emailing.
Understood. Thanks, Ernest. Thanks for it.
Thanks. Yeah, Nakshita ji, any questions you have?
No questions, sir. Thank you for the session.
Yeah, thank you so much. In fact, long back, 2009, when Biogen started in garage in Rajajinagar, we had implemented Salesforce for you. I think it's long way now. Your company's traveled, and now you're really grown big. Nakshita.
Yes.
So at that time, we were interacting with Saif Nekri. I think Saif is still there. He had your marketing.
Yeah, he is director. Yeah.
Yeah, correct. So Stripe was there when we implemented. It was a very small garage. Your company started in Rajajinagar, but now it's really grown well. Yeah, best wishes.
Yes.
And so Naga means, do you have any questions, sir? I think you've been muted since the beginning. Yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you. So over to Soumya for the vote of thanks.
Yeah, yes. Thank you everyone for joining our webinar today. So we hope this session provide valuable insight and business growth opportunities. A special thanks to my colleague Honika for the support and heartfelt thanks to our CEO Mr. P. Ramesh Chandra. And we sincerely thank all the participants for your valuable time and active participation throughout the session. Thank you, Mr. Surya Prakash from Nagamil. Thank you, Mr. Suresh Kumar from Triposen. Thank you, Ms. Rakshita from Biogen. And Naufal from Honeycomb for taking a valuable time and attending the webinar. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you again for joining. Bye and have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.